zero. Rather, you say zero. Zero. Okay, the next one is not serious, but serious. Serious, remember. Now we're going over to the other words at the side of the board. Here we have appear, appear, appear. Okay, next one is atmosphere, atmosphere, atmosphere. Okay, number 12 is severe, severe. And number 13 is a bit tricky. Now note, number 13 you don't say experience, rather you say experience, experience, experience. And number 14 we say Nigeria, Nigeria, Nigeria. Remember to take note of the transcription. And lastly, number 15 we have interior, interior. So take note, you don't say interior, rather you say interior. Okay, let's go over to our daily expressions, which is very important as it helps us to learn how to use those pronunciation and those words in our daily conversation. Number one we have is, my father is a hero. My father is a hero. Number two we have, the baby enjoyed the cereals. The baby enjoyed the cereals. Remember? Not series, but cereals. Number three, Nigeria is my country. Nigeria is my country. Number four is, I had a beautiful experience yesterday. I had a beautiful experience yesterday. And number five, the lady is an interior decorator. The lady is an interior decorator. Here we come to the end of the class for today. Thank you for being a part of it. I believe you will use this in your daily conversation and also in your expressions. Thank you and enjoy the rest of your day.